Hi guys, it's Charlotte. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your lashes quickly and effectively. This is the glue that I will be using, which is Duo. So right now I'm waiting for the glue to dry. All the links to the products I will be using will be in the description below. Make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends. So right now I'll be putting the eyelashes on. I usually start on the left eye from the outer corner and on the right eye from the inner corner. So when you're putting on your lashes, make sure you hold down your actual eyelashes. So I'm just holding down the lash with my index finger, and then with the other hand I'm bringing it to the inner corner. So now that I'm done with the left eye, I will start on the right eye. Usually people use tongs or tweezers, but I prefer to use my hands because I feel like you have more control. I had a slight problem on the right eye trying to stick down the inner corner, but I don't think I used enough glue. So make sure you use the right amount of glue. So hold down the lash. If it keeps like coming up, you need to press it down. Keep pressing it down so that it sticks. Because sometimes it keeps like popping back up. As you can see, I was struggling with this one. Yeah, I don't think I used enough glue, but still trying to fix it. This is how my eyelashes look when they're all completed. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be uploading another one very soon. Make sure you comment if you want any specific videos.